Hi. In this video, I will show you step by step how to install FluentCRM on your WordPress website. Now, I will go to the dashboard of my website. From the dashboard, I will go to the tab Plugins. Then I will choose to add new. A new window will be opened. At the tab Search for Plugins in this window, I will write FluentCRM. As you can see, FluentCRM appears as the first result. I will press Install. Then after the completion of the installation, I will press Activate. As you can see, this is the window of the installed plugins, and FluentCRM appears at the top of these plugins. Here, this is the tab of FluentCRM in the dashboard. I will press on it, and a pop-up window will open to complete the installation process. I will press here on Let's Go. A new window will appear. It will ask me to enter the business name and the business address. I will write in both fields test. While here, it will ask me to add a photo for my brand, so I will choose a photo from my media. Then, I will press Next. In this window, it asks me to fill in at least two list names, so I will write Test1 and Test2. Then I will press Next. While, in this window, it asks me to fill two tags, so I will write Tag1 and Tag2. Then I will press Next. Here, it asks me whether do I need to install FluentForms or not. But I will choose not to install it now. Here, it asks me to enter my email, but this is optional. Then, press Complete Installation. Congratulations, your FluentCRM dashboard is installed successfully, and now, let us see how to add or import the contacts to FluentCRM. From here, I will press on Add. A new pop-up window will open to add the details of a new contact. I can add the prefix of the contact. I can add the first name and last name. Also, I can add the email. I can choose the status of the contact. Apply a tag to the contact. And add him to a list. I can add information to the contact. Also, I can choose his birthday. Then, I will press Confirm. Now, let us see how to import the data of contact. We have two options, either from CSV file or from WordPress. I will choose from WordPress. It will ask me to which role I shall import from my WordPress data. I will choose Subscriber and Customer. Now, let us see the other option, to upload from the CSV file. I will press Next. A new window will open that asks me to drop the CSV file or to upload it. But before uploading this file, you need to follow a specific format. So let us download this file to know how to do it. As you can see here, the top field of each column shall be written in a specific format, first underscore name, the same for last name, and so on. Without this format, FluentCRM cannot understand the entries in your table. Now, let us see a CSV file that I prepared. I will change the first name. Then I will add the address for contact 1, and then the country of contact 1. I will do the same for contact 2. I will press Save, then I will upload this file to FluentCRM. I will check all the fields. Then, I will choose the lists and tags to be applied to these contacts. It asks me whether I need to update the subscriber's details or not. I will choose No. Then I will press Confirm Import. After uploading, it shows one contact only is added, as the other one was already available. So, I will upload again the CSV file, but I will choose to update the contact details. This is to see whether their details will be updated or not. As you can see, the details of the contact are already updated. I will press on the contact name to see all his details. These are the tags and lists that are applied to the contact. This is his address. And this is his country. If I want to go back to contacts, I will press here. Now, I will press on the first contact to update his details. This is the country of the contact, and here I will update his email details. Then I will press Update Contact. From this email tab, I can see the emails that he received. And from Purchase History, I can know all his purchases through WooCommerce on this WordPress website. And from Notes, I can add the note that I need to remember this contact. If we will go back to the FluentCRM tab, we will see we have contacts, then campaigns, then email sequences, then forms, then automations. I will press on automations to check it. I will create a new automation. I will choose the category to be CRM. I will write the automation name to be test. I will choose the trigger to be tag applied. As you can see here, this automation is available only in the Pro version of FluentCRM. But, if I will choose the category to be WordPress, then save settings, it will open the automation flowchart. If I press on this plus icon, it will open all the automation functions, but as you can see, many of them can be used only with the Pro version of FluentCRM. Please check the link in the description to check all the features of FluentCRM. Thanks for watching, and see you again with other videos.